Today I want to show you my favorite breakfast or brunch meal. It's an omelette made with a third cup of chopped parsley, 2 eggs, 3 cups of meat of your choice. Today I'm using jalapeno flavored sausage, a small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. In a pan, add some butter, heat it up, and then add onion and garlic. Check out my recipe here for chicken kifta, sure to be a family favorite. Sprinkle some salt, crack the 2 eggs, add the meat and the parsley. If you like this episode so far, please take a second to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification and share with a friend. Whisk together. You can add a bit of milk to make it fluffy or a little bit of water. And to add a sprinkle of allSpice. To me, it's the allSpice that makes this an amazing meal. A little bit of black pepper. Mix. Now it's ready. Add everything in the pan. But there is the finished product. You can have it by itself, in a pita, or on a toast. Enjoy!